Hello Seekers, welcome to Lifetime Soul Astro Shots by Puneet. Moon will make its move in the sign of Taurus on 6th of July early morning. Now definitely the moon, when it goes in the sign of Taurus, it will have Rahu and Mercury placed in the same zodiac sign. So mind, emotions get affected by Rahu. Because moon will enter Taurus zodiac sign, it will become exalted, it will be in a very elated position, and then moon will have its own natural way of handling the emotions with respect to mind, because Mercury will also come in the same plane. Moon will also go in Rohini Nakshatra, which is also the nakshatra of Mula Trikona for the Chandra. And when moon will observe the position of Saturn, ninth from itself, and when moon will observe the position of Jupiter, 10th, that means moon would want to come to peace with the problems, come to more relaxation. You would want to get rid of unnecessary troubles in your life. Also, jealousy, comparison, these are the negative emotions that will creep up because of the presence of Venus and Mars. And remember, this moon, the day it makes its transit, Venus also moves to Ashlesha Nakshatra. Now, definitely Venus and moon combined going into Ashlesha in the zodiac sign of Cancer, which is ruled by moon, directly impacts how you observe reality. Rahu and Mercury, on the other hand, tries to change the entire picture and paints it in a different color. What you have to do, you have to go and observe, and through the reality of Saturn, through the dharma, through the path of righteousness, and observing the reality the way it should be, not the way it is being portrayed, you will be able to comprehend what is right and what is wrong, and you will be able to ascertain and prepare for the next course of action. Overall, this can be a confusing transit for you because Ketu is also in the sign of Scorpio, which is the sign of debilitation of moon. So definitely Rahu is getting some feedback from Ketu. So moon will get the feedback from the sensory organ, and Ketu is the inputs that is given to Rahu, and according to the inputs given by Ketu, Rahu decides on the reality. So be careful about the surroundings, the input that you get from social media, the input that you get from your friends, relatives. Overall, this is going to be just 2 days with mixed bag. On one hand, it will be kind of peaceful and happy and elated. On the other hand, there can be an hour or so where you will feel bad because of the input that are given to you. If you just filter out the negative emotions, if you just filter out the negative inputs and try to observe the reality with positive approach, things will be fine and you will enjoy that moon transit in the sign of Taurus. Thank you for watching this quick and short video. Do like the channel, do share the video, and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss another update. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.